friends, welcome to Chemistry Champs. In this video we are learning IUPAC nomenclature of organic compound. So the compound which contain carbon and hydrogen. So these are called hydrocarbons. And the hydrocarbon which contain heteroatom that are nitrogen, sulfur and oxygen. So these are called hydrocarbon derivative. The property of organic compound depend on the functional group which are attached with heteroatom that are NOS and halogen group is also. And in this there are some functional group with their some homologous. So there are functional group and there are common name of functional group and there are common formula of functional group and there is IUPAC name. So first functional group is OH. And the common name of OH is alcohol. And the formula of alcohol common ROH. And the IUPAC name of ROH is alkenols. Now the second group is CHO. That is aldehyde. So there is RCHO in general and the IUPAC name of RCHO is alkanes. There is O and there is A. And the next is X functional group. These are called halo groups. So halogens. And common formula is HX and these are called haloalkane. And there is RX. Sorry. And the next functional group is C double bond O, that is ketone group. So the general formula is RCOR and the IUPAC name of ketone is alkanones. Now the next group is COOR. This is the ester group. So there is RCOOR and the IUPAC name of ester is alkyl alkanoate. Now we study IUPAC naming of organic compound. Organic compound. So according to IUPAC, that is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, their naming is based on first is word root, second is suffix and third is prefix. And in this, suffix can be of two types, primary and secondary. And in this, prefix is also of two types, primary and secondary prefix. So in the word root, there are longest carbon chain can be considered according to word root. If there are number of carbon atom and word root is given by so if there are one carbon atom, so their word root will be meth, and if there are two carbon atoms, so their eth. If there are three carbon atoms, so their word root is pro. If there are four carbon atoms, so there will be but. If there are five carbon atoms, so there will be pent. And if there are six carbon atoms, so there will be word root hex. And if there are seven carbon atoms, so their word root will be hept. And if there are 8 carbon atoms, so there are oct is word root. And there are 9 carbon atoms, so there are non. And if there are 10 carbon atoms, so there are dec. And up to so on. Now, what is suffix? So, firstly there are primary suffix. So, in which organic compounds containing carbon in single bond, double bond and triple bond. If their carbon are present in single bond, so their suffix will be ane. And if there are double bond are present, so their suffix will be ene. And if there are carbon containing triple bond, so their suffix will be ine. And this is primary suffix. And if a carbon chain contains more than one double bond, triple bond, so these are called if a carbon chain contains more two double bond, so they are called diene. If there are three double bond are present, so these are called triene. And if there are two triple bond are present, so for two there is di, and triple bond there is ine. And if there are three triple bond are present, so for three there is tri is used, and for triple bond there is ine. Now we move on to the secondary suffix. So there are some functional groups are present which are naming according to. There are functional group, and secondary suffix is, if there are OH is present, so their secondary suffix is ol, and there is CHO, so their secondary suffix is AL. If there are COOH, so their suffix will be oic acid. And if there are C double bond O, that is ketone, so there is on. Now we move on to the primary prefix. So, in any organic compound, if cyclic structure is present, so cyclo word used before the word root, like CH2, CH2, CH2. So there are 1, 2, 3, 3 carbon atoms. So there is firstly used cyclo, and there are 3 carbon atoms, so pro, and there are single bond are present, so ane. Now the second example is CH2, 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 and in this cyclic structure is present, so cyclo is used before the word root, and word root is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms are present, so there is bu, and for single bond there is ane. So this is a cyclobutane. Now we move on to the secondary prefix. Secondary prefix indicate that the substitution of a group other than functional group on the place of a hydrogen atom. So these secondary prefix added before the word root if these compounds are acyclic. If the compound is cyclic, so these secondary prefix added to after the word root, and these are secondary prefix that name is fluoro, cyclo, chloro, bromo, ido, etc. Now the complete nomenclature can be written as secondary prefix plus primary prefix plus word root plus primary suffix plus secondary suffix. For example, CH3, CH, Br, CH2, CH2, OH. So in this, secondary suffix is bromo. So bromo. Primary prefix in this cyclic structure is not present, so this is removed, and word root is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 for but, and word primary prefix is there is single bond are present, that is ane, and secondary suffix that is OH group, so there is ol. So their name is bromobutanol, and there is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there is bromo present at 3, so there is 3 bromo, 1 ol, because OH group present at first position. Now there are some general IUPAC nomenclature rule. Now we move on to these rules. General rule for the IUPAC nomenclature of an organic compound. So first is nomenclature of saturated compound. So these rules are for alkanes. So in this, first, longest carbon chain in this saturated compound, longest carbon chain can be considered and named as, for example, CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. In this, and there is CH3, CH2, 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 CH3, CH3. If we, and there is also CH3 is present, and if we numbering from this side, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon chain is present. Now we numbering from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the longest chain is for 6 carbon atom, and this chain can also be from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the next rule is small number rule or small sum rule. If there are some parent chain are present on the saturated compound, so these can have small number. For example, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3. So in this, if we numbering from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be numbered as 4 in this parent chain. And if we number starting from this side, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the numbering will be at 2 position, and 2 is lesser than 4. So this chain will be considered. So their small number or lowest number can be considered. If there are more than one parent chain is present, for example, CH3, CH, CH3, CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. So when we number this from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the number will be, this will present at 2, so there will be 2, and this is also present at 2 plus 2, and this is present at 4th position plus 4. So this will be equal to 8, and we if we number start from this side, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So their present will be at 4th position, 1, 2 position plus carbon at 4 position. This is first plus 4, and this is also at 4th position, so plus 4. So there is 10. So the lowest sum is 8, and this chain can be considered. Now the next rule is, if there are more than, if there are 2 or more same substituent present at the different position, so these are named as di, tri, tetra, and up to so on for 2, 3, 4, etc. For example, CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, and there is CH3, CH3, there is CH, CH3, CH3. So in this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we can written as 2, this is also at 2 and this is at 4, and there are 3 methyl groups are present. So for 3 there are tri is used, tri, methyl, and for carbon chain is for 5 pro, ane, because in this single bond is present. And in this, if the parent chain has different substituent, so the naming will be like C2H5 is present at here in this, so it can be written as 2-ethyl. In this, alphabetical order is considered. E came first in the alphabetical order, so 2-ethyl, 2 and 4, dimethyl, and for 5 carbon chain pro, and for single bond there is ane is used. Now second is nomenclature of unsaturated compound. So these are alkene and alkyne. So first rule is, in this longest carbon chain containing the double bond, for example, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, double bond, CH2, and there is CH2, CH2, CH3. As we see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the longest chain, but in this double bond is not considered. So this is not correct answer. And in this, double bond can be taken as first. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the longest chain which is considered. So this is the longest chain rule. Now the second rule is, for one bond there ane is used, and and if there are double bond is present, so their ene will be used, and if there are triple bond is present, so their ine can be used. For example, CH3 single bond CH3. So in this alane is used, and CH2 double bond CH2. So in this double bond is present, so ene can be used, and if there are triple bond is present, CH triple bond CH, so their ine can be used. Now the third rule is numbering start from that position which contains less or lower number of double bond or triple bond. For example, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH double bond, CH2. Now we numbering start from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the double bond has number 4, which is very high. And if we number start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So their double bond will be present at first position and 1 is less. So this chain will be considered. And now the next rule is, if there are substituent are present, like CH3, CH2, there is CH, CH3, CH3, single bond, CH, double bond, CH2, and there is CH2 and CH3. So now we numbering start from this 1, 2, 3, 4. First we considered as these double bond present can be have lower number. So this will be 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the substituent are at lower atom. So in this there are 2 plus 2 plus 4, so this will be 8, and from this side this will be 1 plus 3 plus 3, so this is 7. So this rule can be applied. Now the next is nomenclature of compound containing functional group. Functional group. So in this, first is longest chain rule contain functional group. So in this, the longest carbon chain contain the functional group. For example, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH2OH, CH2, CH3. So now we numbering, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the longest chain, but it is incorrect because in this functional group is not present. Now we numbering from this chain from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is the correct rule. Now the second rule is in which if parent chain are present, so the lower number is considered. For example, CH3, CHBr, CH2, CH2, CH3. Now we numbering start from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the BR, that is parent chain, present at second position, and if we number start from their side 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, so this will contain fourth position. So this rule will be right because 2 is lower number than 4. Now the next rule is parent chain rule. In this, if they contain CHO, COOH and more functional group, so the chain starts from these functional group. And the next rule is, in this parent chain have longest carbon and they contain double bond or triple bond. So preference will be given to the double bond, triple bond and then functional group and then to alkane. Now with nomenclature of polyfunctional group. In this, if there are more than 2 functional group are present, so in this first is there can be considered as a principal functional group and their other is substituent, and the order of principal group is SO3H, then COOH, then COOC and then COOR and then COX and then CONH2 and then CN and then C double bond O and C, there is OH and then NH2 and then O and last X. This is the order of principal group. Now principal group taken as a suffix and then the prefix is used. For example, CH3 CH double bond O CO CH2 CH2OH. So in this there is a COOH. So in this C double bond O there is present here and COOH. This is present here. So this is first came. So this is a principal group. So in this is a principal group. So chain start from 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now in this C double bond O can be named as oxo. So the naming is 3-oxo and carbon chain of 4, so bute, and this is COOH. Prefix is used, that is COH for oic acid. Oic acid. So the name is 3-oxo-butanoic acid. And the other example is, if there are CH3, C, there are NH2 is present and CH2, CH2OH. So in this NH2 is here and OH is here. So OH is principal group. So the naming start from this 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the NH2 is known as amino. So 3 amino. There is 4 carbon atoms, so but, and OH for ol. So this is 3 amino butanol. Now the third rule is if there are double bond, triple bond, single bond and substituent and functional group are present, so the order will be first written as functional group and then triple bond and then double bond and then single bond and then substituent. So this rule can be followed. And the next rule is, in this, if 2 or 3 double bonds or triple bond are present, so they can be written as, for example CH3 CH double bond CH single bond CH2 C triple bond CH. So in this, the chain start from the lower number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the triple bond came first, but in this is at 6th position, so this will not be considered. So now we start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So triple bond present at first position, so this chain can be considered. Now the name of this chain is, so 6 carbon atoms are present, so hex and alphabetical order are present. So at 4th position their ene is present, and at first position ine is present, hex 4 ene 1. So this can be write into this type. So that's for this video, guys. Now thank you so much guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. And if there are any doubt in your mind, so comment in the comment box and I will give you reply to all your comments. And thank you so much.